Hi everyone, EdGO here. Today I am going to fix a washing machine with a drain problem. Here, the washing machine is set to wash mode, but the tub is still draining water. In this case, I will need to check the drain valve. So let's begin. First, I remove the back cover of the washing machine. Okay, so this is the drain valve of the washing machine. It connects to the drain and wash selector on the panel on top via this plastic strip. This plastic strip must be removed by removing the metal clip in order to access the valve. This can easily be done by loosening the tension on the strip by setting the selector switch to gentle. Additionally, these wires need to be moved out of the way. With the plastic strip removed, I just need to unscrew this top cover to remove the drain valve. Here, it shows the cause of the problem. It appears that the rubber on the drain valve has shrunk and that the spring has broken and rusted. A closer inspection reveals that the drain valve rubber has shrunk to approximately 1 centimeter in height. And here is the rest of the spring. To fix the problem, these parts need to be replaced. I was able to order a repair kit online. This kit includes a spring with a metal clip, a valve cover, a pull rod, and a valve rubber. Here, I'm inserting the pull rod into the valve rubber. Just ensure that the disc tip of the rod lies flat on the inner bottom of the rubber. Here is a comparison between the new rubber and the old rubber to see the difference in height. Now it's time to install the new parts. I also need to replace this rusted metal clip and then connect the plastic strip back to the pull rod. Now all I need to do is reinstall the back cover and test the new drain valve. As a result, the drain valve is now working just fine and the tab is now holding the water in place. The repair is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about repair tutorial videos such as this one. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.